This one's for a very specific type of application, a panel that flips. Think solar panels that tilt between a stowed position and a deployed angle, ramp doors on trailers, drop-down access panels on vehicles or equipment, or any panel that rotates between two fixed angles rather than opening to 90 degrees like a standard hatch. The key difference with this calculator compared to the others, you're not going from 0 to 90. You're going from one angle to another, and that changes everything about how you size the actuator. Let me walk you through it. Start with panel weight and length, same as any other calculator. This is the weight of the panel itself and how long it is from the pivot point to the far edge. These are your baseline inputs. Now here's what makes this calculator unique. You've got two angle inputs, the closed angle and the open angle. The closed angle is where the panel sits when it's stowed. Notice this can go past vertical, past 90 degrees, which means the panel is leaning slightly past upright when it's in its resting position. That's common on trailer ramps and agricultural equipment. The open angle is where the panel needs to get to when it's deployed. This can actually go negative, meaning below horizontal, a ramp that drops below the ground level, for example. The actuator has to physically travel between those two angles. That travel arc determines your stroke length, not just the final position. The linkage bracket is how the actuator connects to the panel. The bracket arm length is how long the arm is between the pivot and where the actuator attaches. The bracket mount on the panel is where along the panel that bracket is positioned. These two dimensions together set the mechanical leverage. A longer bracket arm means less force required but more stroke needed, the same trade-off you see in all lever mechanics. Watch what happens to the force readout as you move the bracket mount position along the panel. Closer to the pivot, force shoots up. Further away, it comes down. The actuator base mount sets where the fixed end of the actuator connects, horizontal distance from the pivot and vertical height. These affect the angle the actuator operates at throughout its travel, which directly affects efficiency and force. Adjust these to match your real installation geometry. Hit Open Panel and watch the simulation. You can see the panel moving from its stowed angle down to its deployed position, and the actuator extending through that arc. The force gauge shows you the peak force across that full travel range, and that peak is what you need to size against. The results show you peak force, stroke needed, and the required force with your safety factor applied. Take those numbers straight to the Selector tab. It'll match you to compatible actuators that can handle both the force and the stroke your specific geometry demands. Every panel flip application is different. The angles, the bracket geometry, the panel size, they all interact. Plug in your real numbers and let the calculator do the engineering.